6. As Muthamil election begins, I am here today to interview our new candidate. How are you?
I am fine. I am Ruthra PS of grade 11. I am standing in school pupil leader election.
How would you respond to criticism?
Yeah, criticism is like bullying. It's not good actually. And if I become a SPL, then I will tell my students it's bad, and I will make them to understand its importance and needs. Criticism is a bad thing, but we should not give punishment to the children. But actually, we should teach them its bad and its causes.
Describe about your leadership style.
Yeah, I have some leadership qualities that I believe in me, and I think we should give space for the children, but we should not give more space also. We should treat them like our friends. We should tell them when it is good, and we should correct them when it is bad. And when they are asking for their rights, then we should provide them. And if they ask any help, then as a leader, we should provide them.
Who was your inspiration to stand in this SPL post?
I say no one is my inspiration. My inspiration is me only. I think I have some leadership qualities, and I have never stand in this SPL post. This is my first experience. So I thought let us give a try.
What is your agenda?
Agenda means I thought I need to promote gender equality in our school. As I am a nature lover, I thought we need to preserve nature, and we need to save things like energy and etc.
If you become the head girl, what are the changes will you bring to our school?
Yeah, the changes I would bring is we should promote changes means the students should not fight, and the students should not have any vengeance or anything, and the students should be equal among themselves. And if they perform any group activities or something, they should be very friendly to each other. And I would say that we need to respect our teachers, schools, rules and regulations, and we should respect our parents and elders, because they tell us what is good for us and good for our future. So that's all.
How is the campaigning going on?
Yeah, my campaigning is going very well, and as this is the second day, I went to only few classes, and in that few classes also, children is very responsive to me, and they greet me with very smiling faces. As they are Muthamil public school students, they are very good, and I think they will vote for their right candidate.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you. I am Ruthra PS of grade 11. My symbol is pen. Please vote for me.